Hi there, I'm completing the build today, but before I get started let me just tell you about the comprehensive plans that are available if you wish to build one of these yourself. You can download them straight away from my Etsy store, or you can order them at a discount from my website. Now let's get on with the build. The drawer stops are made from beech. A threaded hole through the middle of them allows for a grub screw to give adjustability to the design. We'll make both of them in one piece of beech, as that's easier to work with, and then cut them to size. Setting the grub screw partly proud means that we'll have adjustability in both directions as long as we set it in place with the drawer in the correct position. I've decided on a simple yet contrasting drawer pull. It's made from holly and it's tapered towards the drawer front to give a good grip for pulling the drawer out. I've really enjoyed this build and I'm very happy with the way it's turned out. I've actually had a great time working with Chad too, so thank you Chad for all your efforts. Now Chad's done about half the videos in this series, but what I've also done is filmed all of those parts that he's done whilst I've been building it, and I'll be releasing those after this video. You'll see the way I've covered the bits that Chad has shown you in the past, so I hope you'll find that enjoyable. The design allows for a lot of alterations, so you can go for something that really is oriental, or with a few simple changes you can make it quite Western, and I've given some ideas of that in the plans. So if you want to build this, get hold of the plans and have a go. Thanks for watching. Cheerio.